Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we'll talk about nested routes. Okay, so let's look at our application. Here you can see it's slash products, and within products we have two options, mobiles and fashion. Now what nested route will do is it will append another routes to the localhost slash products. Okay, for example, we have to go to mobiles, it's gonna append mobiles to forward slash products slash mobiles. That's how nested route works. The different thing about nested routes is, suppose this is our UI once it is products, and this is our UI if we append mobiles to the link. As you can see that only the portion below this area, this is the only thing that is changed. Apart from that, rest of our UI has not changed a bit. That is how nested route works. Okay, let's see how we can code this. So first of all, we have to create two pages for mobiles and fashions. So I'm going to create mobile.js or AFCE, and I'm going to write list of mobiles. Here only, list of mobiles. Okay, I'm going to create another page that would be fashion.js, and here list of fashion products. Okay, so we have two pages, mobiles and fashion. Now what we'll do, we'll go to our products page. Okay, here we're gonna add a nav, and inside that nav we're gonna add links to the nested routes. Two, so one is mobile. Okay, I'm gonna say mobiles. Second one is fashion. I'm gonna write fashion here. Alright, let's see how our UI looks. Okay, so there is an error, link is not defined. We have to import it from React router DOM. Okay, let's see. Okay, so far we haven't described any routes for it. We have to describe routes for it. So let's go and describe some routes for our mobile and fashion app. So I'm gonna go to the app.js. Okay, now in app.js what you have to do, you are nesting this products. Okay, you have to nest within this product. So you're gonna remove the self-closing of this route, and you're gonna close this route, and inside this we are going to define our nested routes, because we are appending in the forward slash products page, products URL. So we're gonna, inside the route component, we are gonna here define the nested routes. So first of all, it is route paths would be mobile, and element would be, I think it was mobile, was it? It was mobile. So it's gonna close, let's see. Alright, we're gonna self-close this. Another route is fashion, and we're gonna write fashion here. We have to import them as well, so I'm gonna import it, import fashion from pages slash fashion. Next I'm gonna import mobile. Okay, it is auto imported. So there you go, we have defined the nested routes as well, but React router DOM won't know where to place these components when the nested routes is triggered. Suppose you are setting the URL to be products slash mobiles, but React router DOM won't know where to place it. So for that, we are out in component that is known as outlet is provided by React router DOM. So it's going to allow us to specify where to render the components, the nested components on our UI. So I'm saying let's render it here. Okay, let's see if it works or not. So this is our products page. Okay, you can see that. Now when I click on mobiles, you can see a list of mobiles, and our route is changed as well. You can see fashion, and it is working perfectly fine. So in nested components, what is happening is when I say mobile, then the path of this mobile component would be automatically slash product slash mobile. That's how nested route works. It just adds to this string, the URL string. Suppose the products page URL is slash products, and when we want to go to mobile, it's gonna just append forward slash mobile to it, and it's gonna render this mobile component. So that's how nested routing works in the React Router DOM. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.